What's up? Welcome to my channel. Today is an exciting day. We are shopping here for the outfit for the visualizer. We're going to be shooting on Thursday. It is currently Tuesday, so we got a couple days of shopping. So I'm pretty much just going to fast forward through all of this stuff and get to starting the morning off and then going through there. Let's get to it. Cinnabon, here I go. Cinnabon. Some people come for clothes, Crystal comes for the food. Third time at the mall in the past 2 days, guys. Tomorrow's the day.
Denied. I can see your face. He just said it.
Behind the scenes. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you so much. You too, thank you. Oh, you hear the brakes.
Walking?
Just do
Like a serious take?
not like a serious take, but like this, but more like not so much on dancing. We could try it and see. I still like the
Honestly, I'm thinking too, like maybe I might do an edit to it. We could use multiple takes, you know? Maybe I won't just do one straight through. Maybe.
Okay, I think you should see it.
I think.
Yeah.
How can this take? Can we so good or so bad?
No, that way you could just see the change. It looks so good. Like your jacket with the smell looks so good. I like it. But I am down to shoot another one.
I like this one. That might be it, but let's just do one more.
Yeah.
You think the sun's gonna fuck it up?
Okay, I don't know about the sun here.
Sun just kept fucking it up.
I don't know. I think we colored
Okay.
our take, yeah.
Okay, I'm good to go to a different. Should we go see that pier real quick?
Yeah. We could do a performance show in there if you want.
Standing onto this pier. We were trying to make it work, but the sun came out and so it just like blasted the whole scene. We got a couple of good takes and then we're gonna try and go to a different location and maybe get a couple of different reels for Instagram and YouTube shorts. So beautiful. I'm so excited for you guys to see the video once it is finally out. Yay, we're here, we're doing it, we're shooting. I don't think you guys are ready for the bluey. They're looking chunky. Look at this. Oh my goodness. They're so beautiful. That's my filming hand. We ended up filming another visualizer. Well, the same song, but this location right here. And it was so money. It was so money, you guys. I'm so excited for it to come out because I need to look at it. I forgot to mention that we had to hike a mile down to get to where we were in the first clips, and it was all downhill, and right now it's all uphill, and it's hot. I had to take off my freaking gloves, my scarf. I'm out of breath. The sun's shining. I have like 5 layers on, and we're about 3/4 to the car. Man. Going uphill, this is definitely a lot. But my knees are feeling strong, guys. Right now it's just my neck. Maybe because my backpack. Probably. I gotta go. This is how many layers I was wearing this morning. And then the sun started coming out. And then we had to hike up. Well, you already know. I had on a scarf, my North Face parka. Shout out to my mom for getting it for me. Thank you. I'll do this bad boy. It's actually really windy right here. It was not this windy when we were hiking. Okay, so under this, I have on my first jacket. Oh. Okay, and then under my white fox, I have my North Face fleece jacket, or a zip up actually. And then under that, I have my thermal. And then under that, my tank top. Now, I'm probably just gonna rock all day in my fleece. Eee. Scrumptious and delicious. I'm so excited. It was a successful shoot today, and now I'm going to go get some sleep because I've had about 10 hours of sleep these past 3 days. Thank you so much for watching this video,